One October just came around, just to shake the sky, move the ground, just to strongly insist the wind should up and change. And it knocked down walls and bridges too, and it reached more people than we knew, and it left with nothing really left the same. You called it the reckoning, and your voice came through unquestioning. You said the universe is trembling. Don't you know? Don't you know? Because you felt it coming long before I walked you through your own front door, and I spent just one night on your floor for a few nights in a row. Change ain't so sudden, it just hides as it's coming. Is this change or fruition of some hope and ambition? Is this all repercussions? Was this grown out of something that we cursed, that we prayed for, that we knew we could wait for? You named it the reckoning in your perfect notebook lettering. One October leveling all we knew, and you felt it coming long before I kissed you on that dancing floor, and you held me loose, and I made sure to hold tight on you. I'm holding tight.
Guys, I found a dead cockroach in there.
Holding tight on
Found a
you.
dead cockroach.
Girl, I'm holding tight on you. I'm holding tight on you. Girl, I'm holding tight on you.
Guys, I'm doing. Caramba!